Growing up with my sister, Marisa, we were very close, and dance was the common bond between us. So I'd like to create a dance studio for her. Oh, she's gonna flip out. I turned to Houzz to help make this renovation happen. Houzz is cool because you can find everything you need to totally renovate your house. This is a space that I know my sister has always loved. She doesn't have anything like that. So actually, you guys are really taking it to another level.
We're scraping off the entire roof and adding a second floor above it.
I'm really excited about this addition. I think it's gonna have a huge impact. You ready?
So ready.
Are you
excited.
nervous?
I'm so nervous.
All right, come on. Look at this.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe it.
You like it? I could tell she was really, really happy.
We got a lot of excited kids here.
Can you believe it? Wow!
I'm Mario Lopez, and this is my house. You can already tell the memories that are gonna be made here.